Bolsharot Gaji, let's learn Irish. Is Misha Arj, agus topic na seachtain inniu, ag Frásaí, describing people. Agus shoíd na Focail agus na Frásaí. Aged, Aosta, arrogant, Sotalach, athletic, Aclaí, blue, Gorm, brown, Donn, Cranky, Cantalach, curly, wiry, thick of hair, Catach, dishonest, calm, no Mí-ionraic, fat, Ramhar, friendly, understanding, or sympathetic, Báúil, funny, Greannmhar, greedy, Santach, green, Glas, grey, Liath, lazy, Leisciúil, long, Fada, old, Shan, short, Gearr, short of height, Beag, no Íseal, skinny, Tanaí, tall, Arb, young, Og. I have big hands and a wide nose. Ta móra agus srón leathan. You are a right busybody. Suckadan ceartatanat. He is a slender, witty person. Is dinne chuil jesh félach. They are blonde, or they have blonde hair. Ta siad fin, no ta grugin oru. He has thick black eyebrows and short fingernails. Ta mali Catach dua agus inne Gearr. Are her eyes blue or grey? Well, Gorm no Liath. Biggie parcha harja. Join the online Irish community at letslearnirish.com.